The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Lasco Pharmaceuticals, a member of the successful Lasco group of companies, says it's ready and able to supply drugs to the National Health Fund under a multi-million-dollar deal inked with the Jamaican government recently. Lasco Pharmaceuticals, September 6, snared a 2-year contract worth nearly 800 million Jamaican dollars to supply both branded and generic drugs to the NHF. 43 contracts were signed at the September 6 ceremony. A spokesman for the group could only tell us that none of the drugs was originating from Cuba. In related news, we were unsuccessful in our quest to find out what has contributed to the delay in completing Lasco's state-of-the-art manufacturing plant at White Marl in St. Catherine, opened with much fanfare by the Prime Minister January 18 this year. At the groundbreaking ceremony, Lasco's chairman Lascelles Shin expressed optimism that the plant, to be built at a cost of $24 million would have already been operational.
We are endeavoring to finish the building by April this year for production to start between June and July 2012. This is a very ambitious timeline, but Prime Minister, if we achieve this, the Chinese will have no advantage over us when it comes to erecting buildings.
News on the market now, and local stock prices fell like 9 pence today, shaving 99 points or 1/10% off the main JSE index. 31 stocks traded, with 5 advancing, 17 declining and 9 holding firm. On the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar held firm at an average selling rate of $89.93 Jamaican. However, both the Canadian dollar and the British pound weakened against the Jamaican dollar. The Canadian dollar lost 42 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $91.92, whilst the British pound declined by 19 Jamaican cents to close at $145.79. In the aftermath of the positive bounce Jamaica got from the London Olympics, strategic analyst at JMMB, Dr. Ike Johnson, is suggesting that Jamaican businesses follow up and seek opportunities in the global marketplace.
Well, the average business person should now say one of our major trading partners is putting efforts in place now to shore up the economy, and as such there may be spillover benefits to Jamaica and also ability for them to export now to the US as a major exporting partner. So, you know, this is a step in the right direction, and this might translate now into a greater level of confidence in our business people.
Finally, on the international scene, US light sweet crude oil for October delivery, ailing from the negative bounce in the prior session, declined by $1.33 to settle at $95.29 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It's oil's lowest finish in 3 weeks. Traders are bracing for a supply report later this week, widely expected to show an increase in crude oil inventories in the United States. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.